Loading type. First, apply the thin coat of engine oil to each piston pin hole inner surface. And piston pin outer surface. Install one of the snap rings. Always wear safety glasses when performing this task. Align the ring end with the recess of the ring groove, and fit the ring in by twisting with a tool and pushing. Heat the piston up approximately to 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat the connecting rod too, if necessary. Align the directions of the marks on the connecting rod and piston. In this model, align the embossed marks on the connecting rod and piston, and place the connecting rod inside the piston. Push the piston pin through into the connecting rod small end and the piston pin hole on the other side until the snap ring groove of this side appears, so that the snap ring can be installed. Wait until the components cool down so not to burn yourself. Install the snap ring. After installing the snap ring, make sure that the snap rings are properly installed and the connecting rod moves smoothly. Press fitting type. For the installation of the press fitting type piston pin, use the same special tools that are already adjusted during the removal. In this model, align the piston end connecting rod with the in mark of the piston and the oil hole of the connecting rod face in the same direction. Refer to the shop manual for the aligning marks for each model. Install the pilot collar through the piston and the connecting rod. And set the piston and connecting rod on the special tool. Place the piston pin and press in with the driver. After installing the piston pin, make sure that the piston pin is properly installed. The connecting rod moves smoothly and the piston is not damaged.